Good morning students. Today we are studying our chapter number first, number and numeration of exercise 1.4. Question number first, fill in the blanks. A part, there are dash place values in a 6 digit number. 6 digit के नंबर में place values कितनी हो सकती हैं? 6. B part, dash is the smallest 6 digit number and dash is the largest 6 digit number. स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट का नंबर पूछा जाता है तो हम 0 से बनाते हैं, एंड लार्जेस्ट डिजिट का नंबर बनाना है हमें तो हम उसे 9 से बनाते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर. सो वी राइट 5 times 0 and 1. सो दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर 3, 4, 5, 6 and the largest 6 digit number. So we write 6 times 9. So this is the largest 6 digit number. C part, there are dash periods in a 6 digit place value. 6 digit के place value में कितने पीरियड होते हैं हमारे? 1, 1000 and lakh. B part, dash, dash and dash are in the ones periods. ones periods में कौन कौन से places आते हैं हमारे? ones, tens and hundreds. E part, dash and dash are in 1000 period. 1000 period में क्या क्या आते हैं? 1000 and 10,000. Question number second, put comma according to Indian place value system and write the number name. Question number second is your revision question. So I will explain only first part. A part is 4, 8, 3, 6, 9. In this question, we insert first comma between third and fourth digit. That is where the ones periods ends and the 1000 period start. Next comma is insert between the fifth and the sixth digit number. So we put comma 4, 8, 369. So the number name is 48,360. Again B part is 72312. So we insert comma between third and the fourth digit. C part is 175300. We insert comma between third and fourth digit, and next comma is insert between the fifth and sixth digit. D part 281602. So we put comma 2,81,602. E part 294320. We insert comma between third and the fourth digit, and again we put comma fifth and the sixth digit. You write also number name. Question number third, A part 6,43, 987. Consider digit 4 and write it. In this question we write period, face value and place value. इसमें हमें 4 को लेकर उसका पीरियड, फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है. सो पीरियड 4 at 1000 period, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So period is 1000. So we write here 1000. Face value of 4 is 4. Place value of 4 is 40,000. B part 2, 5, 6, 4, 7, 8. Consider digit 4 and write it 4. 4 को लेकर हमें इसका पीरियड, फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू बताना है. सो पीरियड ऑफ 4 इज ones. We write here ones. Face value of 4 is 4. Place value 4 is 400. C part 310858. Consider digit 0 and write its period. 0 at 1000 place, so we write thousands. Face value of 0 is 0. Place value of 0 is 0. D part 5000000. Consider digit 5 and write its period. Period of 5 is lakhs and face value of 5 is 5. Place value of 5 is 5 lakh. Question number 4. Write the numeral for each of the following. A part 1,0892. So we write here 1,0892. B part is 3,44,009. So we write here 3,44,009. C part 6,15,004. So we write here 15,15,004. D part 7,08,056. So we write here 7,08,056. E part is 9,39,255. So we write here 9,39,255. Question number 5. Count the beats, write the numeral and its number name in Indian place value system. This is again your revision question. In this question, we count beats and write numerals and then number names. So once at 5 beats, we write here 5. Tens at 4 beats, so we write 4. 100 at 3 beats, so we write 3. And 1000 and 10,000 has no beats, so we write here 0. And lakh has 7 beats, so we write here 7. So the number name is 7,345. B part is 1 at 1 beats, so we write here 1. 10 at 2 beats, so we write here 2. And 100 has no beats, so we write here 0. 1000 at 2 beats, so we write here 2. And 10,000 has 9 beats, so we write here 9. Lakh has 1 beat, so we write here 1. And the number name is 1,92,021. Question number 6. So show the following numbers on the abacus by drawing beads and write the number names in Indian place value system. In this question, we have given numerals and then we drawing beads and write the number names. So A part has 3 at 1's place, so we draw 3 beads. 2 at 10's place, so we draw 2 beads. 3 at 100 place, so we draw 3 beads at 100 place. 5 at 1000 place, so we draw 5 beads. 8 at 10,000 place, so we draw 8 beads at 1000 place. 7 at lakh place, so we draw 7 beads. So the number name is 7,85,323. B part is 3 at 1's place, 6 at 10's place, so we draw 6 beads at 10th place. 5 at 100 place, so we draw 5 beads. 1000 and 10,000 has no 1000 and 10,000 had 0 digits, so we don't draw any beads. 6 at lakh place, so we draw 6 beads at lakh place. So the number name is 6,563. So your exercise 1.4 is completed. I hope you understand these questions. Thank you, goodbye and take care.